Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. In this video I would like to tell you what you could do to get accepted by Merch by Amazon. A few weeks ago I created already a video on Merch by Amazon, and I told you how I got accepted on Amazon Merch. Well, but what I didn't tell you in that video is really what I really put into this application, because you have to obviously request an invitation by Amazon Merch, which you do on this website. Then you have to create your account, and then you have to fill out an application form. Well, you have to put into this application the reasons why you want to be able to sell on Amazon Merch. And I think for many people, this is a problem. Many people don't know what they need to put into this. And I actually had a request under one of my recent videos for me to take you through what exactly I put in there. And I actually did some digging in the folders on my laptop, and I found the document that I used just really to document what I put into this application. So I found exactly that, and I'll take you through the whole process again. Just want to show you, when you're just starting out, what you need to do and how the whole application process works. So the first step, really, when you go into this website, which is merch.amazon.com/landing, you need to click on request invitation. So that's the first step, which then takes you to another website. Okay, and this takes you to this website here, or to this platform. So what you need to do here is to create your Amazon account, because if you don't already have one, you need to start here. You put your name in, and that's your personal name. You put your email address in, and that could be the email address of your private email address, or if you want to register as a business, you put in your business email address. You create a password and then you click on create your Amazon account. And then Amazon will send you an email with a link you can click on. Okay, what you then have to do is to sign in. And I just entered my email address and my password. And then it takes you to this website here. Apply for a Merch by Amazon account, and you click on begin application. And then you have to put in a telephone number. And I will do that quickly and then see you in the next step. Okay, that takes you to this website here. What you need to do here is you select your country or region. So it would be the country you live in, or the country your business is in. So then you have to put in the business name, the address, and the city, state, postal code, a phone number again, because that phone number before was just really, I think, for this two-step login verification, sort of safety, security thing. And you put in your business email address, which is your email address. So this is, do you want emails to go to a different email address instead of only yours? So this is really just a second email address, actually, because the first one you already entered when you created your account. Now, what you then have to do, you put your bank information in, because what Amazon want to know is if they can actually pay you, because there might be some countries where you, when you select a certain country, or you might not be able to select all countries, I don't know, but you need to select. I think it might actually. Let's see this. It could be that if you select, no, that's fine. I think you just need to select your country. So hopefully that's not an issue. If you have any problems with that, there's always the possibility for you to create, and I know that I've seen it in another video, I haven't done it myself, but I think you can very easily create a US bank account, even if you don't live in the USA, which then Amazon can use to pay you. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to do some further research on this, because it wasn't necessary for me. I don't really know anything about it, but I'm happy to do some research if it would help you. Right, but you just select your bank information and put this all in. You have then to complete your tax information. So this is very important. So it would be the country, for example, where you live in. You have to put in your just the tax information, so Amazon know that you're a genuine person or business, and that they won't have any problems with tax withholding. So you need to do that. Then you click on save and continue. Well, I will not carry on because I don't want to create another account. But what I'll show you now is exactly the sentence or the sentences that I put into the application, because on the next page, you will then need to give your reasons for, why do you want to sell on Amazon Merch. So I'll show you that now. Okay, and this is exactly what I put into the application. And I'll read it out to you. Dear Amazon team, we are active on various print-on-demand websites and have been creating a lot of high-quality designs for various products for the last few months. We are still a new business, but are already growing and are very happy about the sales we have achieved on other platforms. We create unique and innovative designs ourselves, but we also work with external designers who help us to create fantastic designs that our customers love. We would like to grow our business further and believe that Amazon will be a fantastic opportunity for us that will allow us to present our designs to many more people. We also believe that our designs will provide a great value to Amazon customers. What I think you need to do here, and maybe this is exactly what Amazon want to hear, well, you need to show them that you believe that you will be an asset to Amazon and Amazon's customers, because that's all Amazon really care about. I mean, Amazon, as you know, they are a very customer-focused company or business. And Amazon want to provide a great value to their customers. And this means that you have to somehow reflect this in your paragraph here. You have to mention that your customers love your designs, ideally that you've made already a few designs, and that you that you believe that you will provide or give some value to Amazon as well. Yeah, because that means that they are more likely to accept you, I think. And pretty much that's it. I mean, there's not a lot of space in the application anyway, so you're pretty short on space. And well, this is what I put in, and eventually I got accepted. This obviously doesn't mean if you put something like this in, it doesn't mean, it's not a guarantee that you will get accepted, but it might, if you haven't tried it before, if you have put something completely different in, it might be worth trying. What I need to mention is, please do not copy this exactly, because Amazon already had this letter. So if you put the same one in again, well, maybe it means that you will get rejected again because they think you might have just stolen it from somewhere. But maybe just change it slightly, change a few sentences, change a few words, and just make sure that the general sort of vibe or the general meaning of this paragraph, remains the same. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to stay close to my own print-on-demand business, if you want to follow me on my journey, and if you want to receive daily updates, then please subscribe to this channel. I try to provide value and I try to create new videos every day. I just want to make sure that you learn something, and I want to share my own learnings, my own mistakes as well. And I want to share my successes. I really love doing these videos here because I know they help others. And I really appreciate your help as well, because in just a few weeks, I've grown from basically 0 to now over 60 subscribers. And it seems to grow very fast, and it seems to, speed up even further. So thanks for that. And it just gives me a lot of motivation. And if you have any comments or any suggestions, please put them into the comment box. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Bye.